All right. Damn. All right, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be installing Euro taillights. These are brand new to me. Literally just ordered them maybe like 2 days ago, and I just got them and they're looking pretty clean. I'm wondering if I should ceramic coat these or if I shouldn't, but who knows. I'll probably just do it later on in the future if I see something is starting to go wrong with them or something, or starting to fade. But yeah, we're gonna be getting rid of our old taillights. These are, they're pretty clean already the way they are. I mean, I've been having the car for the longest now, and I've never really done nothing to these taillights, like put tint or like paint protection film or something like that. I know my car is a little dirty right now, especially because of the weather. If you live in Dallas, you know it's been raining for the past couple of days. Probably for like the last week, there's been a really bad storm. But nonetheless, we're gonna get back to this installation. I think all we're gonna need is really just a pry tool, or you can really just do this with your hand. Just kind of have to turn these out. Yeah, just gotta twist them out. Yeah, as you can see, these are just like little clip-in tools that kind of hold the bolt in from the taillight in there, so this plastic piece won't come out. It's pretty easy to take off. It's not really that hard. There's also gonna be one. Well, I mean, you don't really need to take this one off, really. You could just bend this back. But yeah, you could just bend this back. There's going to be one plug here. It's kind of hard to get to. So there's going to be one plug right here. It's not that hard to get to. It's literally just pressing it down on the little... You just got to press down on the tab and just push it out. And just push this rubber piece back in, like the way it's going through. And it should come right out. Otherwise, as it bolts, I think it's, yeah, you can see it right there. There's gonna be one over here, one right here, and one right here. They're only gonna be 10s, I believe. I might be wrong. Let me see if this one takes different ones. I think it's also gonna be 10s. So yeah, so it should just be a plug and play type deal. But let me just get the bolts real quick for that. All you really gonna need is gonna be a 10. You could just really screw these out. It's gonna be pretty easy. That's it. It's not gonna be a 10. I lied. It's probably gonna be an 11. Fuck. Sure, it's 11. Oh fuck. Where's my long ones at? Yeah, so it's just gonna be an 11. My bad. I thought it was a 10. It was pretty close either ways. Yeah, you're just gonna need to screw these completely out, and Jesus, this one more a bit of it's more pain in the ass to get to. Yeah, this one over here in the corner is a little bit more and a pain in the ass to get to. So if you have a small ratchet or just a regular ratchet size, just to kind of get in there and take it off would be great. Torquing it down for some reason. What you want to do is kind of pull back this liner. It's just going to be held in by let me see. It's just going to be held in by this plastic plastic clip type deal. You could actually just screw this out with your hand, and it won't really it's not really that hard to take off. And you're gonna see these 11s right here. There's gonna be one right here, there's gonna be another one in here in the very back, and there is going to be another one right over here, right where this back panel is at. You can just fold this liner back and you'll see it. There's also going to be one plug which you can literally just press down here and it will come right out. This will be located right in the back of this plastic panel. This will also just kind of push in. It's just a plastic trim piece, and yeah, it's just going to be 3 11s. It's nothing hard to take off. It is just a tail light. These just slide right out. But yeah, that's how the old tail light looks, and this is what the brand new one is gonna look like. It is a lot of more of a difference. I like the Euros way better. I fuck with the OEM ones, trust me, I really like them, but Euro is the way to go if you really want to do it. Just here's a side comparison to get them. Yeah, the Euros definitely look way sicker. So I ended up getting these taillights from LMR. They were actually 250-ish with taxes and everything and shipping including. It was like almost $300. So under $300 for these taillights are actually really good. I have not tested them out yet, so we're about to see that. Let me just plug it in and see how it is. Supposedly it is just a plug and play deal, so you can literally just feed this back through its original hole, put the kind of taillight in there, feed it a little bit. I would wait to bolt it up just in case there's something wrong with the taillight, because you know FedEx or UPS, whoever delivers it, they don't really care how the product comes. They kind of just throw shit everywhere. So that looks way better just sitting like that, by the way. Oh yeah, there's something wrong with my wiring, so I'm not even worried about that. The only thing that does bug me from the LMR set is that you can kind of see these red, the red in here, and you can see on the original taillights, you know, you can see it a little bit, but not as much as the LMR ones. But you know, it's the little things that are not gonna matter as much, I think. But yeah, they do definitely look OEM, especially like let's say if you lock the car, unlock it, they look great. They actually look brighter than the OEM ones, which that's a kind of good thing. But yeah, they look great. I like them. It's not much of a difference, but once again, if you want to go for that kind of like just white and black deal, or you want to just run Euros, which looks way better in my opinion, go ahead and do so. For what they are and for how much they cost, they're honestly a very good price. They look even better from the OEM ones. But yeah, I'm in love with these taillights. Now I'm gonna check turn signals. That's what I wanted to check. Also, you have my carbon fiber steering wheel, just in case you haven't seen that. Yeah, let's put the amber lights. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, so I'm having a wiring problem over here with this taillight. And it's not the taillight that's a problem. I'm pretty sure it's a problem with the connector over here in the bottom. There's something wrong with it. I don't know what's going on or what's causing this problem. If you do know, you own a Mustang of this year, please let me know down in the comments, because I've been trying to figure it out for the longest now and I cannot find a solution to it. But yeah, it works perfectly fine. It's just my car that's having this problem, so don't worry if you really think this is gonna happen to your car. It's just not. Let me just go ahead and install the other taillight. Y'all won't have to watch that. Okay, now that the other taillight is off, I actually haven't unboxed this one, so if you really want to see how it comes boxed in first, okay, let me just show y'all that real quick. So whenever you first open the box, it's gonna have this two big styrofoam on the very side of it. It's well protected. Honestly, they did a very well packaging job on this. Just take those out. Take the taillight out, which is also wrapped in this kind of, you know, baggage paper. I don't know what to call it. Very nice packaging. I kind of just, you know, rip these open. You know, I know sometimes people order them, or you know, they find them in Facebook Marketplace. I feel like ordering new taillights is same thing as buying them in Facebook. You're paying essentially the same price, but you know, you're getting them new, and you can also get it guaranteed just in case, you know, it breaks or something. But yeah, that's definitely sick. I'm gonna have to definitely ceramic coat these. This looks crazy like this. And also this option, I'm pretty sure this option is the light smoked. I don't know if these look different. No, they don't. They look exactly the same. But yeah, these are the light smoke. Not the light smoke. These are the clears. The smoked ones look a little darker. Exactly the same thing. Not really much of a difference, but definitely looks much better clear. Here, let's see. Let's test out this side now. There you go. Working just fine. Alright, let's try the amber lights. That's what the amber lights look like. Pretty well. And now let's see the turn signal. That's what I wanted to see, at least on the passenger side, because I know my side doesn't really work. So just turn the key. Passenger side. Okay. Alright, yeah, that looks great. Apparently, it was supposedly gonna be the, you know, 1 2 3 1 2 3, but you know, I don't really care. Looks pretty well the way it sits right now. Yeah, they look all right. Now that they're both installed, let's close the trunk and just take a quick look at how it looks from a distance. Honestly, much better. Do I recommend Euros? I would say yes. They are worth the money, and for how little they're asking for, you could kind of get them for, you know, 300, depending on who you go with, like shipping wise. I got free shipping because I ordered from LMR. In total, I think there were $282 with free shipping and taxes included. Do I think they're worth it? I think yes. If you're planning to sell your old taillights, you know, you can sell them for $250, and you know, you got free taillights. Essentially, you got free taillights without just paying the taxes from them. But yeah, I definitely think it's worth it. Looks wise, it looks way better than the OEM ones. It makes the car look a little bit, you know, sinister, or how you want to call it. It makes the car look a little bit better, especially just cosmetic wise. It doesn't look completely stock, and just having the red, you know, circles or squares or whatever the fuck you want to call it, it doesn't make it look you know, just OEM. It makes it look aftermarket, and that's what I was going for, especially since the wrap is kind of orange. I didn't want to have red taillights, especially I don't have anything red over here other than this little accent right here, but this is going to be changed out as well for a flat one. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting Euros if you are in the market for them. Go shop at LMR. I am not sponsored at all. I'm just saying they're pretty well products. I mean, I like them for what they are, and they work as they should. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know. Leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and just make sure to check out my other accounts. Maybe I'll post on there a little bit more than since I have been. All right, see ya guys.